beat is.
How did you know that's his?
I made the Italian penicillin soup again. Good job, Coop. Yo. He's like, you took my hat. That's mine.
Cooper?
He's like, but my hat.
No.
Oh my god, he looks so cute. Little king.
There's a treat over
You
there.
look like a little prince.
He definitely don't like your father have this on.
Because he's fine now, right?
Stop that now.
He's
Yeah.
fine.
See? He is fine.
That's just like the best crown placement we've done in a long time. It's sitting very well on his head. Good job.
But funny
Like
thing,
a
how
little
did you
king.
know that's his?
You missed a lot of cute stuff that Cooper was doing.
The chair is about falling apart. That's why I don't really want it.
Happy
birthday to
you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god.
Yay! Well,
This too. Cooper gets this too.
thank you.
Oh, you're supposed to be on time lapse. As you saw, I organized through some of these and didn't get rid of a ton, but I just put them back in an order and it looks great. I have something in 20 minutes. I'm going to have to change and kind of make myself look more presentable, but I need to clear this sink out because it's been here for days. Watching hockey, gonna go pick up Tommy because he has a huge bag that he has to bring back from work. I decided to make banana bread because our bananas were dead yesterday basically, so they held on for another day. I made the Italian penicillin soup again, so it's sitting here resting for its 25 minutes. This is in here and it has more time left than we'll be able to give it before I have to leave, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. And I bought tulips today because I had to go downtown to give Tommy something, so tulips. The flowers here, I'm just letting dry, so I've drained the water out of them. I didn't realize I didn't have another vase. I have this one vase. I could have bought 2 or 3 bunches, obviously, because I bought one bunch of 5 tulips, and they'll drape and they'll be pretty, but to make it fill out a bit more, probably needed more than 5 stems. Wasn't quite thinking of that, but anyway, that's that. And I bought some donuts from Lee's because I was in the area anyway, so why not? Good morning, vlog. I'm doing a friends outing day today with one other person because I really wanted to do my solo trip like I did last time where I just went shopping. Something happened to my lip in the middle of the night and it is bleeding in the corner. Oh my god, can you see that? Okay, sorry. Anyway, friends outing day, super psyched for that. I just needed so much sleep today for some reason. Do you still see the flowers? Love those. I'm having some breakfast. I'm getting ready. And while it's getting a little bit warmer, it's not warm enough yet that I can go jacketless or have any, you know, confidently go with no layers. Wow, my mouth. Whatever happened to the corner? The wind makes it so cold, but it's above 50 degrees, so it's very confusingly and deceptively chilly. Oh my god, hi! I'm good. I'm good. It's very cute here. That place was super cute, but I didn't have enough of an angle because we were just chatting for a couple hours. I didn't have enough of an angle to capture the whole place without a ton of people. I grabbed a couple photos where I could, but yeah, there was just like a ton of people in there. It was a really cool vibe though, and the sandwich I got for breakfast was very good. I didn't wear this shirt last time too. I think I did Funny, it seems to be the adventure shirt. Didn't do any shopping, totally fine though, because I just had our nice lunch. Tommy's away for the next couple of days, so I'm just solo in it. Look at those mountains that you can see over the top here. I decided to be responsible and get gas because I'm out already. I always park way too close to the thing. Woo! I've decided to do some, I'd say late night baking. It's only 8 p.m. I also wanted to point out that I bought these tulips on Thursday? Yes, Thursday. And they're still great. I've put a piece of my budget every month until basically August to buy flowers. And I'm going to put it in the vase that's currently got them drying, and I'm gonna put it on that vase because that's the only other pottery vase that we have that's actually fully glazed on the inside. I'm on a rewatch of Bones kick. I started in season 3 because I wanted to watch the Gormagon series, and then I realized that this is just what I'm gonna watch through. Who am I kidding? I wasn't just gonna watch one season. I'm ready to watch it up until the end of 12. So my rewatch of Gilmore Girls is done now. That was February. Now we're in March, so it's time for Bones. In my efforts to transcribe and simplify things for myself, I forgot to include that it needed an egg and another egg yolk. So it looked very dry, and then I rechecked the recipe on the website and then figured it out. So it's done now. I'm gonna put it into the fridge. I just got a veggie box. The car must smell so strong of their cologne because this entire box, the second I grabbed it from outside of my door, smells like cologne. Here's what we got this week. I'm already eating the grapes because they're very crunchy, nice red grapes. We got some celery. These look like bok choys, but they're very small and pretty wilted, so I'll probably have to make these today. Clementines, some potatoes. Look at how little this beet is. Oh my God, what? Who said we'd get beets? Ah! And some tomatoes, a broccoli head, and the blackberries you saw. That's so funny. This is so funny.